the story in English. Are you ready? Okay. So, once upon a time, there were 3 beautiful piglets. Look at the 3 beautiful piglets. Wow. And there was Mama Pig. Okay. So, Mama Pig made food every day. And she gave food to all her 3 children. But Sonu was never ready to eat the food. He would always say, "Oink, oink, oink, I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat and drink. I only want to play. Oink, oink, oink. I don't want to eat and drink. I only want to play. Oink, oink, oink." So, Mama said, "Beta, if you don't eat, then how will you play? You will not get energy to play." But he did not listen to Mama. Then there was little Manu. Manu also did not listen to Mama. He said, "Mama, I am going to watch TV and mobile. You give me food while I am playing on my mobile, okay?" So Mama said, no, "You must come to the dining table and eat." But he would not listen. And then there was little Kanu. Kanu always listened to his mama. And he sat on the dining table with his grandfather, grandmother, uncle and auntie. And he listened to all their stories while eating food. His chachu, his uncle, told him once that he is an engineer and he made a lovely house of bricks and cement. So, what did little Kanu say? "Oh, okay, very good." And he kept it in his mind. After some years, Mama called all 3 piglets. And she said, "Come on now, boys, you are big. Please go and make your own house." Okay, the 3 piglets, who were now 3 big pigs, they were very happy. They said, "Okay, no problem, we will make our house." And Manu made a house of sticks. He got those little sticks and he said, "I can't carry them. They're too heavy. But okay, I'll make it with the sticks." He made a house with sticks. Sonu made a house with hay because he could not lift the sticks. He made the house with hay. Look at this house. These houses were very beautiful. Then finally Kanu, he made a house with bricks and cement because he remembered his uncle, his chachu, telling him that I made a house of bricks and cement. So he thought, yes, that's a wonderful idea. I will also make my house with bricks and cement. And they were living very, very happily. Cozy, cozy. But they did not know there was a wolf watching them. Yummy, yummy. I'm going to eat these pigs one by one. Yummy, yummy. So what did he do? He went to whose house? Sonu's house first. He went to Sonu's house and he knocked at the door and he said, "Open the door, open the door. Come out, I'm going to eat you up." But Sonu said, "No, no, 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 no. Oink, 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 oink. Please don't eat me. Please don't eat me." But the wolf did not listen and he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house. Look, he has blown the house. Oh, he blew the house, and Sonu ran to Monu's house and he said, Monu, Monu, please help me, please help me. There's a wolf coming. So Monu said, come inside. My house is strong. Come inside. And the wolf went there. I have got 2 pigs now. I'm going to eat these 2 pigs now. Oh, what a meal. What a meal. I'm going to enjoy myself. He called them, and both of them were shivering and saying, no, 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 no. Please, please, wolf, don't come inside our house. But the wolf huffed and he puffed, huffed and he puffed, and he blew the house. See, he blew the house. Oh, he blew the house. Look at him. And both of them ran to Kanu's house and screamed his name. Kanu, Kanu, open the door. Kanu, open the door. Open the door, please. Open the door. So Kanu came out quickly and Kanu said, what is the matter? Come inside, come inside, come inside. They all went inside the house. And then what happened? They told him about the wolf. And the wolf came. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. 3 pigs. Wow, my day is made. Oh, wah, wah, wah. Are oh, Kanu Manu Sonu. Are oh, Kanu Manu Sonu, come out. And I'm going to eat you up. What a meal. But Kanu, who was very strong, who used to eat all fruits and vegetables and sit on the dining table, he had made his house with bricks and cement. And he said, go, get out from here. You cannot come to my house. My house is very strong. I've made my house very, very strong. You can do nothing to my house. So the wolf said, what? I can't do anything? Wait, I will huff and puff and break your house. He huffed and puffed, but nothing happened. What is this? Why am I not able to break this house? Oh, so he kicked the house. I got hurt. Oh my God, this house is very strong. I'm going. And then the 3 pigs who had now learnt a lesson came out of the house. But Sonu and Monu were crying and they were saying, Mama, Mama, please come. And Mama came, she said, what is the matter? Why are you crying? I told you not to cry. Didn't I tell you? If you cry, I cannot hear you properly. So please tell me properly what happened. So Kanu said, Mama, there was a wolf and the wolf huffed and puffed and blew both their houses. But my house was strong because I remember Chachu telling me that you should build a house of bricks and cement. Mama said, see, you were always listening to your dadus and chachus stories, and that is why you were strong. You always ate fruits and vegetables, and that is why you were strong. But Monu and Sonu, okay, never mind. Now don't cry, make another house. It's okay, never mind. We will make another house. Okay? Come on, stop crying, wipe your tears. So, Sonu and Monu said, "Yes, Mama, sorry. Now from next time, when we have little piglets, we are going to teach them properly to eat and we will tell them about our story." And so they made their own house. And this time they made their house with what? Come on, with what did they make their house? They made their house with bricks and cement. Yes, very good. Lovely, very nice. So, let's clap for all the 3 little piglets and let's clap for Mama and let's clap for, where is my wolf? Yeah, yeah, let's clap for them. Okay. It's closed for some reason.